Pentecostal Network Pennet Program clear to te lalpai swamming in Tibet ule tungkar chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar thlirin nilongai thlang u July ni somni pakwa thojan ni khan General Sunday School Editing Board chuan kumthar sang ni som pakwa apuitling Sunday School thuzir tur Leviticus shilfiana bu edit na anthoka Editing Board member te hi General Shwaitu Pathum General Sunday School Official Pathum Debaka Reverend K Dar Sailova Reverend Bial Sailo, Reverend Kemal Somtuanga, Evangelist H.R. Larindika, Upa Keshanglo Tale Upa Season Nunate Anni. Kumsang ni Sompakwa Puiting Sunday School Thuzir Tur Leviticus Shilfiana Buhi, General Sunday School Secretary, Reverend R. Vanal Oezia Ani. August ni khatninga ni khan General Headquarters Office Committee Room General Sunday School Examination Board Meeting nei Ani. Meeting hi board chairman Reverend R. Lighting Puina Kaishwaya Sunday School exam dan phungle question set le akai hnoi thil shangshangte fel file thazoka kalpuya ni theidan tur anra man ani July ni somthum thole ni khan General Headquarters Office Committee Room Press and Bookstore Managing Board ten meeting anneya meeting hi Press and Bookstore Managing Board chairman Reverend Zawming Thanzaman akai shwai Meeting a hian offset press thoktu te in kai shwaina dan chungchang en nonin siam that le bel ngai te an siam rema thoktu te hlo en nonin ti pun ani cutting machine leidan ngai to ani se ti te offset press room rong noi tharni se ti te chu an thungai to langsar zwal ani General Shwai to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo chuan August ni thum inrin ni khan Chanmari West Kohhran Golden Jubilee lawmna program a hun mangin Jubilee lungphun ahonga pathian thu cha soin rawngbawlna ane General Treasurer Reverend Zawming Thanzamale General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoi te pu in Chanmari West Kohhran Golden Jubilee lawmna program a hian hun poimo mangtura soman ni engin antel pui ani General Missions Secretary Reverend Bial tuanga sinatel chuan August ni hi zirtop ni khan Aizawl chhuasanin Guwahati General Missions Field Accounts Auditin hun an mang District Shrangshang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thlak chhun zomila Lunglei District UPC chuan Statistic Report January to June ati chhuaka kumsang ni sompariat report IMM barpun hi za pariat ani Statistic Report tlangpui hetiangin local omzat za som pani report masa member zat singkhat sangriat zanga pasari Sakho dang pol dang atanga lawlu thar za paruk nawhlan thar zat za sompali tun report a member zongjong zat singkhat sangriat zaruk sompanga tui baptisma chang zongjong zat singkhat sangkhat zanga somni paruk tharau thianglim baptisma chang to zat sangsari zali somli paruk PYD din na local zat somriat pakwa LED din na local zat za pasari PCD din na local zat somriat pali Sunday School Department din na local zat za paruk PMD din na local zat somnga Kaushon upazat zathum somriat pakwa Senior upazat somnga pakwa Rongbol tu zat zanga somli pasari Ordination zat somni pariat General License somli pakwa Local License somli pali Bible Moment som pakhat Chung ko omzat sangli somthum pathum Kar chuak chung ko zat zanhi somriat pasari Mi pazat sangkwa zanhi somriat pali Meithe zat sangkwa zathum somthum pakhat Kumsom pariat le achung lam Singkhat sangkhat zanga somruk paruk Kumsom pasari le anwai lam sangsari somli pakwa Lunglei District PCD Shwai tu tele District PCD Board Member se chuan na thial Bial chung mun shanga PCD Pualin campaign an nei August ni thum inrin ni khan na thial Bial chunga PCD zirtir tu te Pualin seminar na thial venglai lokala nei ani a resource person atan District PCD Senior Advisor Reverend PC Lalfak Omale District PCD President Rongbol tu Kelarin tuanga te man ani a thupuyatan PCD zirtir tu poimona ti le nopang enkol dan ti an mang August ni thum inrin ni zanlama na thial Bial chung leite le tuipui di lokala te PCD campaign an nei chunjoma August ni li pathiani hian na thial kho chung local pathuma campaign hi nei le in chonhulama Bial hwapin venglai biak ina fellowship ani anga zan lama veng lai biak ina vek hian ha thial khu chunga local shang PCD tenen inkhom na an nei le ang he inkhom a hen district PCD senior advisor Reverend PC lal fak oma chuan rongbawlna anei don ani July ni somni pariat pathian ni khan sertlang pui lokala baptisma khur hon ani a bel to pastor ti zaming lian chuan mi somthum police wanga idamna baptisma achantira anjinga pakhat hi mi thar ani July ni somni pariat pathian ni chundu khan theiriat bial shangchal kon lokala bel to pastor Reverend Kelal chuansanga chuan baptisma mi paruk achantira anjinga pahni hi mi thar ani August ni thum inrin ni khan tleu lokala unau pa Elohim lal mingluna te chung kwa chuan pathian hne na lom thu choi choi moina an buat saya speaker atam bel to pastor lal engzawa an roi he choi moi program hi August ni ni zir top jana tang khan tan ani a August ni li pathian ni jan thleng man ani ang North Mizoram District chanchin ngai thak chhun zomila July ni som thum thole ni khan North Mizoram District School and Call Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary School Managing Board to a meeting nein higher level lecturer tureta na lakin har satna ane wanga banna athelu chungchang an ngai to a PG Managing Board to penelata na da lalbiak diki kolni MA Education B.Ed chinga veng Aizawl mi chu zirtir tu atan alathar ani July ni somni pasari sangni sompakwa zir top ni khang scholarship dia konbial no pang Sunday School Department te chuan ASC Home le Sujain Downs Boarding School kota inti hlimna nein nilengin hun an mang no pang pawla program bot saya hian bial chung no pang mi zathum som nga chuangkal khomin no pang ten an phak tok rongbawlna konga mason na le thwa hona thajok an nei the nan he program hi an bot sai ani Apostolic Revival Team te scholarship project venga an rongbawlna kal zela July ni som thum thole zan khan project veng back in a mithar pani scholarship veng lai bel to pastor Reverend B Vanelwa da chuan kaushana asenglut hemizan hian evangelist T Vanelwa da speaker Apostolic Revival Team chuan mi pali iswaming in baptisma achantir bok ani project veng kaushana hian pathian na thoro pui tak alang chhozel donin project kaushan try to the chuan an soi ani Chaltlang Bial chung om Chanmari West kaushan te chuan July ni somni pasari inrin ni zana tangkhan an kaushan Golden Jubilee lomna program an mangtana Jubilee lomna program hian August nili pathiani zan thleng a o ang Chanmari West kaushan hi kumsang khazakwa somruk pakwa August ni thum khan Dinthar kaushan atangin an indanga chunghun lai an shwai tu te chu secretary unau pa sai than chunga treasurer unau pa zadinga Financial Secretary Unapa R Thangate Anni Jubilee Lomna Program Chanzan hi Evangelist Silal Ramthanga Organizing Committee Chairman in Kai Shwaya Bel to Pastor Reverend Silal Ramthanga Jubilee Honna Nein Upa RK Thankiman Jubilee May Adet Ani Jubilee Lom Bul Chanzan hi Bel to Pastor Reverend Silal Ramthanga Hen Tengin Pathian Thucha ngai thakani a Twal chunga tengin LA Desire Paul PY Desire Paul le Philadelphia Female Voice 10 fakla an sabok Jubilee lomna huna hian Chanmari West kaushana shwai tu loni to te zongjong ba ka bel to pastor loni to le Chanmari West kaushana tanga pastor chuak Reverend R Lalhoya Reverend Lalrem tuanga Thenjol bel tu le pastor Lalwat ki mafan ai tlang no bel tu te po choi moina an hlan ani Jubilee lomna program man chung hian rongbawl tu shang Reverend Silal Ramthanga chaltlang bel to pastor Evangelist JH Malsom Dongliana chaltlang bel secretary Pastor F Lalruat ki mafan ai tlang no bel to pastor Evangelist C Mingchung nanga chaltlang bel missions treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzama general treasurer Reverend Silian Chama headquarters bel to pastor 10 thu an soi ani Jubilee lomna hi tungkar July ni somni pakwa tho chanzana tangkhan Chanmari West Kaushan Department shang missions LED le PYD Paula hunman chau ani a July ni zir top jana tanga pathiani zan thleng hi kaushan pui program hunman chunjom le ngal ani July ni somni pariat pathiani khan dampareng pui biala om dampatlang no bek in North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuang chuan UPC Northeast India Unit Pentecostal back in pakhat ni turin is swamingin ahong biak in hong tu reverend lal tuang chuan pathian thu sam number somriat pali thu chiarin lalpa in chu lalpa mamo tu apyang ti ta na in tur ani le chaklo ti ta na chakna in le be seina nei to lo ti ta na pathian be seina in thar ni tur adu thu asoi evangelist Serchhip tongtaina ane nu in biak in chu iswaminga hongin biak in chunga lutin in khom bwa sai ngal ani a pastor R thanglura Bial du pastorin in khom kai shwain ole pa imal som na hlu kan engkim chunga alang ti hla sa in biak in tharlan na tongtai rwal ne nuwa fern unaw nu ruthi banal ompui le unaw pala ro dikaten zai rawngbawlna an nei bok Reverend Laltuang chuan thu soi rawngbawlna nein pathian thu Ezekiel abung som paruk changriat thu chiarin upa Thomas an tongtaina ane zo nuwa thu cha soi tu chuan thu thung ti thu pui mangin pathian thu ro pui tak asoi ani thu cha ngai thak zo nuwa dampareng pui Bial secretary upa lal ompui hne na tringin biak in sakdan report tlang pui ngai thak ani a upa puya tarlan danin dam patlang nuam kaushana members somruk paruk omekin kaushan in som pathum an oma biak in lenzong he adung fit som thum le awang fit som pariata zawani thu report ngai thak ani biak in sakna hi rei ek Bial missions department and work camp an sakni in biak in mantur pulpit chu ailong kaushan ten an pebok biak in hon in khoma hian ailong upa ar kap dailava pu in thu soina anei bok ani biak in honit la hian biak in tharlom na roi tui takil ho ani bok Hebek in honna hun mang Turhian District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Evangelist Serchhip Central Jail vengle unaw pala ro diga Dinthar le Aizawl atagin upa R kap dailava Director Ray Ek Bial unaw pa Johanate ankal baka Bial chung khoshang ankal khombok ani dampatlang no ma hian rongbol tu Evangelist Gospel lerin moe obin ani hian rim dakinong abola kaushan haute po an thla amwang le ani UPC North Mizoram District chuan July ni somni pakwa atang ni somthum chung khan district level le kaushan pui department committee peng shang zirne in le camping center sum endik na tho ani a audit na thok tu ten twang takin anzo fel district board hian kumin sangni som paku chunga tan reverend Silaram wana si Bial to pastor evangelist Eflan ngai omale upa Silan moye te chu auditor tan arwat ani North Mizoram District Headquarters Bial PYD Education Committee malakna in August lachung chauhian Bial chung local shangshanga education awareness campaign an nei kwal meka he campaign a hian zirna le hlotlin na shangshang nei PYD ti hna lompui na thilpek an hlan ngal zelbok he campaign hian August ni nga thleng a o ang July ni somni pakhat pathian ni khan rengdil Bial si thiang huna rongbol tu Evangelist Serchhip rawngbawlna kaltlangin mithar parukin swangai damna baptisma changin kaushana senglu anni a naw pahnih lali swahne na hlan anni bok July ni somni pasari le ni somni pariat chung khan tlang nuam PYD te chuan chamring kaushan sialsuk Bial to in an fe chuak program man chungin una pa rosang le na financial secretary tlang nuam una pa lal than moy president tlang nuam Unapa Albert Sila fak oma executive member tlang nuam ten thu soi rawngbawlna an nei thina vanal nei pui var sang zo le le fak zwali ten zai rawngbawlna nein lim takin hun an mang ani Aizawl East District rawngbawlna chanchin August ha hiram mutha ane angin Aizawl East District chunga twal chung kaushan shang te chuan ursun ta kamang turin rahman na an siam hloma twal chung kaushan chen khat chuan kaushan in tin to chwa program te siamin twal chung le Bial chen khat chuan ram mutha den chen hian rongbol tu rain hun an mang bokang heram mutha hi Aizawl East District Board po in Bial tu pastor te po thanem ngai ta kamang turin rahman na alo siam to ani Aizawl East District noi kaushan puile department shang te kumchan ve sum audit chu July ni somni pathuma tangani somni paruk chungkhan district office a zo fel ani kumina hian auditor tan district board chuan pastor H lalro puya pastoral mangai oma parte baka pastor Bial Aizawl upa Joseph la shwai twang ate chu ratin audit hi twang takin July ni somni paruk zirtom ni khan anzo fel ani Aizawl East District noi department pani missions department le LAD te chuan kumchan ve district board district committee room a an nei Missions Department hian July ni somthum thole ni khan Reverend R Lianzama Director ka Shwain District Board hi anneya Bial atang le official atanga agenda lut engemuzat ngai to in anthu pas langsar zwalte General Missions Field atanga CBC zir turanom jan District Missions Department in sponsor turati ani General Missions felt noya khatkati biak in chung khuna turatan cheng noi ni pek turati ni in tugraja teswa quarter satan District Missions Board voi somnga pakhat na in cheng noi khat le singa pek tura alauti to chu cheng singa pek belle ni seti ani Local Bial in General Missions felt the project anti hlotin donin District Missions Department kaltangati thrini se anti baka District Budget Bialin an chun do dan tu rahman na an siam bok District Missions Board hian District Kaushan pui shrai tu te baka General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoi chuan tel pui bokin Bial shangshanga tengin palai an kal chale ani LED hian July ni somthum pakhat ni lai ni khan una nu F lal ompui Bible Women President kai shwain kumchen ve District Board hi an nei boka heta hian agenda lut engemuzat jing an thu pas langsar zwalte District LED Conference in Sangni sompokwa LED day tholom chan ve district in achanchu district chunga Kohhran har sajwal biak in sartan puinat man ni se alauti to angin Kohhran har sajwal biak in sartan puinat man nge ni se ti in biak in sartan pui tur te chu executive board in lawngai twa se ti ani can survey te pol tholom la khom chin chu biale local ten an mu tam the angber tura la khomin October sangni sompokwa ral main district a thelu turati ani Sangni sompokwa General LED Conference Golden Jubilee ani angin orphanage home thilpeng ni se anti baka General Headquarters Office Malpuya General LED Room District LED mingin enge boda veni seti in try to ten langoi to se chati ani North Bengal Sikkim Missions felt chunga dodla bari biak in saktan puinan cheng sing thum andil ne chupom ni in board nei la hian biale mimal chenhem ngai ten he biak in saknan hian an changhala cheng sing thum sang sari chuang mu ngal ani Aizawl East District LED Board hian kum sang ni somni atana District LED budget cheng noi som paruk sing kwa sang ni jani unaw nu H Lallian Zavi Financial Secretary phar chu soi hona an nei nuwa pomin Kohhran puya approve turin an thenle don ani Serchhip Dinthar Bial Ramthar Kohhran te chuan an Kohhran kum somni pangana Silver Jubilee an lawm Silver Jubilee lomna program hi July ni somni pakwa tho tanzana changkhan Ramthar biak ina manchan ni in hemi zan hian Jubilee honna te nei aloni to a July ni somthum thole ni nileng le zan khan man chunzom ani bok Jubilee lomna puiber chu July ni somthum pakhat ni lai ni khan man ni in biak impona Jubilee lungphun honna Reverend biak sangzwala District Secretary le Bial Pastor loni bok chuan nein Jubilee darwang na nei chunzom ani Biak in chunga evangelist le ro sanga kai shwain in khom chunzom ani a heta hian member boral sunna Reverend Sila din tuanga Bial to pastor chuan nein Ramthar LED ten sunna hla an sa a upa F lalmun liana charge board secretary chuan report ape a Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary le upa banel sanga ten pathian thu cha soin Ramthar PYD baka mimal hne na tungin fakla ngai thak ani a tlaya Jubilee roi hlim takin an kil ho ani Zana Jubilee lomna chunzom ni in heta hian upa F lalmun liana baka Reverend Silal din tuanga Bial to pastor ten thu cha an soi ani Ramthar Kohhran hi July ni somthum pakhat sangkhat zakwa somkwa pali khan din jan ni in har sana tam takara Kohhran chukal chhauzelin tuna kum somni pangana Silver Jubilee an thlenga he Jubilee lomna hi Kohhran hoten hlim takin hun an mang ani he hun man pui tur hian Bial chung baka Bial pon chengin Kohhran member engemozat an kal baka Serchhip Dinthar Bial to pastor lawni to mi engemozat an kal bok ani July ni somni atanga August ni khat chung khan chingchim Bial chhia tlang veng pui Kohhran te chuan Evangelist HMS Zongkima District Revival Team Speaker Ramhangin Revival Crusade and website Crusade nei chung hian zantin inkhom nei chin ni in July ni somni pasari in rin ni khan lang camp nei ani a tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi pali an om he crusade kal zela hian July ni somni pakwa tho chan ni khan Kohhran chuan pathian choi moina nein hlim takin hun an mang Crusade an nei chung hian siam tharle na changmi engemuzat omin in khoma piangin tharau lam nen hun man chin ani a Kohhran hlimna na satak athleng chhomek zel ani Champhai Bethel Bial Sunday School Department wa sain July ni somni pasari le ni somthum pakhat khan no pangpwal lang camp an buat sai Champhai Bethel Bial ti hian no pangpwal lang camp atan hian group nia in chenin group pakhat zo hian Bethel biak ina July ni somni pasari in rin ni khan lang camp hi lotling takin anlo nei to a July ni somthum pakhat ni lai ni khang group pakhat zo hian zo khothar biak ina lotling takin an nei bok helang camp a hian speaker evangelist lalbiak mona mangin lim takin hun an mang ani bongkon Bial ramhlun veng thar Sunday School Department te bua sain July ni somni pasari inrin ni vekhan ramhlun veng thar biak ina no pangpua lang camp hi lo teng takin an nei boka heta hian speaker a una pa MS dongliana fa nai chu man ani inrin ni jana tangkham follow program man ni in July ni somni pariat pathian ni jan in khoma khan District Sunday School Director le Bial du pastor ni bok Reverend C Moizola chuan thuthlung rongbawlna nein mi pali in suangai damdam baptisma an changa tharau dong thar mi pariat anom bok bongkon Bial Sunday School Department tibwa sai vekhan August ni thum inrin ni hian penel bek ina evangelist HMS zomki ma speaker ramangin Bial hop no pongpwa lang camp nei mek ani boka inrin ni jan pathiani chanu le jan hian follow program an mangchun zom don ani July ni somni pasari inrin ni khan Trump wi Bial mon na veng ko shanaloi upa ke vanal chunga te chung kwa chuan pathian ne lom thu soi choi moina anneya August ni thum inrin ni vekhian upalal ming thanga te chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina hi an nei le bok heng choi moine hand speaker a evangelist ke vanal diga chuman ni in kaushan hauten lim takin hun an mang ani mona venga hian evangelist ke vanal diga speaker mang hian hun engemo chen tang to khan crusade hi nei aloni to a pathian choi moina po ve engemo zat an nei to ani Zemo bok veng pui kaushana po evangelist H lalhim puya speaker mangin revival crusade man chaumek zelani a kaushan haute a hlimna na satak theng chaumek zelin pathian choi moina po voi engemo zat nei to ani a tharau thiang lim dong thar le siam thar le na changmi engemo zat an om to ani atum sari na atan unau nu zoram pari ti chung kokal tangin pathian choi moina hi nei le tura ruwa man ni in July ni somni pariat pathian ni chuma in khom ban khan mi pariat in suanga damdam baptisma changin crusade nei chu hian mi sompali in suanga idamna baptisma an chan to baka mithar pahni kaushana senglu an ni to ani July ni somni pariat pathian ni khan East Lungdar Bial sailula kaushana loi turin mithar panga Bial tu pastor kelal mingmoya chuang kaushana asenglut East Lungdar Bial a hian July ni somni pakhat pathian ni khan Bial tu pastor hian mithar pathum kaushana asenglut to bok Darlon Bial PYD te chuan July ni somni pasari le ni somni pariat mangkhan sakordai Bial PYD to in fe chwa program hlotling takin an manga sakordai Bial te hian sakordai huna anlo dong song ani he huna hian Darlon Bial atang hian member somli pakhat vel kalin pathian thu cha ro pui tak tak ngai thak thin ani a lim takin hun an mang ani Zemobok Bial Sunday School Department was in July ni somni pasari inrin ni khan Zemobok North Playground na Bial hop no pang Sunday School Sport lotling taka nei ani Bial tu pastor Reverend R Laltan ki machuan hon na nein item ti shang shang phangin inti hlim na nei ani he huna hiam Bial chunga tingin member zathum somnga velan kal khoma lim takin hun an mang ani District Right to the program District Superintendent Reverend Rausang call ni chuan July ni somni pariat pathian ni khan Serchhip Dinthar Bial siang tlang huna chung komai chamti thupuya manga seminar nei na a resource person a tengin zirtirna ape a dam takin July ni somthum thole ni khan Aizawl a thleng le ani pathian ni hian abial hui mek mol pui Bial fan program mangin pathian ni chuma salem kaushana thu soi rongbawlna aneyang District Secretary Reverend Aizawl chuan July ni somthum pakhat nilai ni khan Serchhip Dinthar Bial Ramthar kaushanten an kaushan kumsom ni pangana Silver Jubilee an lomna telpuin Jubilee lung honna anei baka thu soi rongbawlna anei bok Missions Director Reverend R Lianzama chuan pathian ni pang hian champhai Bial chunga missions rongbawlna nein hun ahmangang Ole khatizong khatun tumatana UPC kaushan rongbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ni e